Hello, geometry students. Good to see you again. I hope you're watching these videos. I really should start telling jokes or something what do you call a cow who doesn't give milk anymore? A milk dud. Or maybe he's an utter failure. Yeah, that should keep you coming back, right? All right, so geometry this week, I've got week 11. Guys, it's almost Thanksgiving. We're making it through this year. It's going fast. I don't know if it is for you, but Monday is going to be a holdover from last week, taking the Chapter 4 test. And I mentioned at our Google Meet that we are going to do a little algebra unit. So last March, school ended abruptly. I'm not sure if you remember that, but we just walked out on Friday the 13th and we never came back. And there were things that in algebra that you did not get to do. So we've got to make sure you know how to do those things so we get to take a little algebra break. I don't know if you're happy or sad about that, but So Tuesday and Wednesday classes, we will be doing algebra review. That algebra review is systems of equations, which I threw a problem or two in there along the way, and then also multiplying, like FOIL method. I'm so sorry. FOIL method, multiplying monomials and polynomials, that kinds of thing. So, and then section 8.5a. It's weird, I know, but this is actually literally section 8.5 from the algebra book. So I have notes. The notes format is a little bit different. I got a practice problem and a lesson summary at the end of it. Perhaps that looks familiar to you based on your algebra teacher last year, but so there is a lesson to watch. Section 8.5a is about factoring using GCF. It's like distributive property backwards. And then Thursday and Friday, we'll do sections 8.5, B and C, parts B and C, and then an assignment that go along with that. Don't forget about your weekly exit ticket. I'm sorry, I'm so unprofessional. I really apologize for that. Okay, so classwork. This is grayed out because you can't see it yet, but it will come up on Monday morning at 6 in the morning. So I'm sure you'll be awake and waiting to click on these links. So here is our review of systems. I did a short algebra review. There isn't a note sheet or anything because this is supposed to be a review. If you need to write some things down, feel free. There is a worksheet here that goes along with it. One side is systems, the other side's multiplying. I have a few little bullets on that worksheet, so if you want to print that out first about how solving systems, do that. But it's actually a worksheet for you to do. And then I've got a notes packet for you. So that notes packet has these sections 8.5 will be going into a section in chapter 9 in the algebra book as well. So I'm calling it an algebra unit because it's not a chapter, it's a unit. So, oh my gosh, it's Friday afternoon for me, you guys. I know it's Monday for you, but it's Friday afternoon for me. So sections 8.5, we're going to factor by greatest common factor. So we're going to take out a GCF. And then we'll do a little solving. So you've got answers to your problems. We're going to actually start with, I don't know why I put factoring there. We're going to start by talking about GCFs, and then we're going to do factor by grouping and using the zero product property. This worksheet here for these two sections, I put these two sections of notes together because there's one worksheet for the two of them. I didn't want to bog you down with work, and I feel like you can get the idea based on one worksheet. It's two lessons. Hopefully you're all right with those. I know that you may not have been exposed to them in algebra last year, so this is learning. You're going to be learning stuff. It just happens to be algebra. And then last but not least, I have got a weekly exit ticket for you. You know how that goes. Make sure you fill that out. And that is it for the week 11, November 16th through the 20th. Hopefully you've got your chapter 4 tests taken care of or soon to be. And let me know if you've got any questions before the test or as we're going along in algebra. I'm a pretty good algebra person as well as geometry, so make sure you ask me. That is it for this week. I can't wait to see you at our Google Meet on Wednesday. Remember that Google Meet link is always at the top of our page right here. If I forget to send you out a reminder, Wednesdays 12:45. That's it. See you next time.